Well, I just had a southern treat. For y'all that live down here in Louisiana, going to the Waffle House is a tradition. It's a tradition. People look at the Waffle House like a second home sometimes. I wish I'd have taken videos while I was in there. We just stopped for breakfast, but anyway, there we go. There's a Waffle House. And there comes my navigator, Miss Emily. You gonna navigate our way to New Orleans?
Yes.
New Orleans. New Orleans. New Orleans. Put an R on it. Feeling pretty good this morning. We had waffles at the Waffle House. I had some southern grits and eggs, spicy sausage. It tastes like Jimmy Dean sausage. That's what it tastes like. That's good stuff. So we just left the casino. We stayed at overnight. What's the name of that one? Lake Charles. LaBarge. Something like that casino. And they were on the waterfront.
Lake Charles.
They had boats docking up in the back. I played some blackjack and we had some fun. Emily got in the spa and went around the lazy river they got there. It's pretty good. So, yeah, we're in Louisiana.
LaBerge Casino Resort in Lake Charles.
So what?
That was the LaBerge Casino Resort in Lake Charles, Louisiana.
Yeah. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Except for the Oriental food last night.
Terrible food. Asia is the name of the restaurant.
Terrible.
One of the worst Chinese food.
The worst Chinese food.
One of the worst.
Now let me tell you, when she says it's the worst, it ain't no good, ain't no good.
One of the worst.
Ain't no good. So, I thought it was going to be okay because it was a comp. We got a comp for dinner for two.
Oh, that right. That was spent, of course.
I don't know. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. I'm going to raise my what do you call that? I don't know. Shade. Raise my shade. I like that thing. I like that because we're going down the road and the sun is in our eyes. It's morning, early morning. I was able to lower that shade down. It just got the sun out of our eyes and we could drive on like nothing happened. It was all right. Now there's a Jeep dealer right there, honey. Look at that. I'm just sitting here looking. There's a Jeep dealer right there across the street.
Okay.
In case you need anything with our Jeep. We just had it in the shop. Jeep dealer, they put a new battery in it. Our battery went dead in that Jeep, but it's got a warranty. It's a 2019, 16,000 miles on it, so they took care of it. Didn't cost us anything. That was good. This coach has a warranty. This coach has two warranties. It's a 2018, and I think I've only got 16 or 17,000 miles on the coach. 2018 model. And so we are able to get a warranty on this. We're going to drop this coach off just to have it gone over. There's a few little knickknacks, things to do on it, take care of. And we plan to sell this coach. And this sold brand new for $259,000. and we're going to sell it for probably about 190, 190, and that'll include the warranty plus a double warranty. We had paid for an extra warranty beyond the factory warranty, so, and we're getting things all fixed up, ready for us to sell this when we get home. When we get home, we're going to sell it, and then we're gonna head to the Philippines. Yes.
That's the plan.
Emily, you're so cute. You got a really pretty face. You're cute, good looking, especially in the morning. After we get all woke up and had a little breakfast. All right, I'm going to shut this down for now. We're going to head down the Highway 10.
Yep.
For New Orleans. Ah! Okay. Hang in there. Come along with us.